Got my feet on Harry Hines right now as we speak.
T-Man, we tuned in.
It was 1998 when I put them pads on. Back when football was real, when we used to crack domes. It was me and White Nick, we used to steal his daddy flicks. Uncle Todd didn't give a fuck, him and my daddy was busting bricks. I also was on that hillside, used to run with ashtray. Me, him, and De Leon, we couldn't wait for Saturday. That was a long time ago, and I can't get that back. My future started looking dark under that White Sox hat. And then I turned 15, I looked 12 cause I was short. Running around on that Decker, throwing up that pitchfork. My granny want my ass home back in MEXIA, or maybe GBT, down where my pawpaw stayed. Now let me turn that page to this country boy story. 2-a-days Texas football with Bryson and Torrey. Should've kept my ass in school, but Tisha got a fat ass. And Tippis got some good coochie, gotta get to Columbia fast. 2008 rolled around and Randy Day pop lock. This story started looking like OG Bobby Johnson and J-Rock. My daddy said he done stopped and he ain't fucking with that sack. He done been to the feds and he ain't trying to go back. Nigga, this the journey.
Hey, you know, man, you know what I'm saying? This shit really wasn't easy, transitioning in this shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm in them hoes down right now. Harry Hines, man, you know what I'm talking about? They in the field.
Fast forward, even though I done skipped a whole bunch, I gotta call my peak partner, meet up with him for some lunch. Popping game at these hoes and you niggas just trying to hunt. Can't be thinking with your dick, boy, she gon' think you a chump. Trying to cater to her mental, make her believe she invincible. And my game been shooting off like a Black Ops missile. Breaking on these random hoes, and you know I know better. Down to do anything to uphold that 16th level. Had a bitch down for me, I thought the world of that bitch. 2 shots of Casamigos, watch that little hoe switch. Man, I go hard for my stable, treat them hoes like my clique. Looking these hoes off in their eyes, you got to want that shit. Accumulated a lot of beef, I'm just a YouTube pimp. Got these niggas dick pulling, I don't fuck with him. Nigga better tighten up fast, I'm coming to move you for that bitch. Nigga can't change with the times, making the bitch wanna quit. And it's the journey.
Shit, man. Man, I rung a nigga line one day, man, and I say, man, I done got a few dollars for that hoe, man. I ain't really just serving you, my nigga, but this a courtesy call. He say, what the fuck is that? And I say, shit, man, I'm letting you know, man, that hoe done gave me a few dollars, you know what I'm saying? And the nigga reminded me of my goddamn self, man. It was like when I ain't know what the fuck was going on when I came in this shit. You know, with this young nigga right here, he wasn't hearing none of that shit, man. That nigga, he wasn't talking about the blicks and the sticks and all this shit, and you know, I laughed at it, man, you know. It didn't put no fear in my heart, man, but now, you know what I'm saying, I'm waiting at the light, you know what I'm saying, I'm hogging the lane. I was with my partner, boy, they one day, man, and you know what I'm saying, I was hogging the lane, man. He said, man, you gonna have to pick a lane. I say, man, I'm hogging this lane, man, cause these niggas will pull up and do their thing. You know what I'm saying, he say, okay. And they can't, you know, so you never know when they coming, man, you know what I'm saying, Pimpin' PJ Pay, man.